Oh, beautiful for spacious skies. Oh, hey guys, how's it going? That's right, the Crusader's back, and I can't believe how fast time's flying. I mean, it's 4th of July once again. This channel's been around for 4 years now. I mean, it's crazy. I mean, we've been through so much. And I just wanted to take this time to let you guys know that I'm once again running a sale down at the Crusader Cave. Now, at the Crusader Cave, not only can you get cool merchandise like Atlanta, the CPN capital of the world t-shirt, which we all know it is rightfully earned, and also cool towels for the beach like this with yours truly on it. This stuff's good quality, by the way. Not only can you get that stuff, but you can also get my CPN workshops, zombie debt workshops, credit building timeline, all the digital content, which I know you guys all love. Now, because it's 4th of July, I gotta run the sale. People are always asking me, hey, when are you gonna run another sale? Well, I'm doing it right now, but it's only gonna be for today. From now until tomorrow, everything at the Crusader Cave is gonna be 15% off, or it'll be more than 10. Just put in the promo code at the bottom of the screen. It's my way of saying thank you to all of you guys, and also my way of saying happy 4th. So I want to make sure you guys all have a happy 4th of July. Stay safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Crusader out.
Please remember that the Credit Crusader does not condone fraud. His workshops are for education/entertainment purposes only. They're not calls to action. Also, kids, please remember to ask your parents' permission before ordering.